Imagine creating a professional studio-quality video without a camera, without a mic, without acting, and without even showing your face. What if all you needed was a script and 60 seconds? Well, in 2025, that's not the future. It's already happening. Today, I'm going to show you how people are creating viral videos, full courses, product demos, and faceless content using AI avatars, completely generated inside Synthesia. Stay with me because I'll walk you through the exact process. We'll create a full video together, and I'll give you the secret settings professionals use to make AI avatars look real, not robotic. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the best AI tools for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital builders. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, hit that like button and let's jump right in. So first, let's talk about why Synthesia is trending again in 2025. Reason 1. Ultra-realistic motion update. Synthesia's new motion model gives avatars natural gestures, eye movement, and micro-expressions. No more stiff robotic movements. Reason 2. Brands want consistency. Companies can now hire an AI avatar instead of shooting a new video every time. Same face, same tone, same style. Reason 3. No camera required. You can make a professional video literally in your pajamas. And let's be honest, who doesn't want that? Reason 4. Huge time savings. Recording a 10-minute video normally takes hours. With AI, 10 minutes takes 5 minutes. Reason 5. Script to video equals instant, and this is the magic we'll explore today. Writing a script, selecting an avatar, customizing voice, adding scenes, and exporting. All right, enough talk. Let's start building our video. I'm going to take you behind the scenes, so watch closely. This is the most important part, because an AI avatar is only as good as the script you feed it. Tips for perfect AI avatar scripts. Use short sentences, avoid complicated tongue twisters, write conversationally, add natural pauses. Like, now let me show you something interesting. Highlight visuals. On the screen, you'll see. Here's the script we'll use today. It's short but perfect for demonstration. Welcome to our demo. Today I'll show you how to use AI avatars to create videos in minutes. First, let's explore the dashboard. This is where Synthesia shines. In 2025, they added new ultra-real human avatars and even emotion packs to make your avatar expressive. Types of avatars: professional presenters, casual vlog-style presenters, multilingual presenters, animated avatars, custom avatars. Upload your own face. Optional. For our video, I'm choosing a clean professional avatar because it works for training, YouTube videos, and online courses. Pro tip: if you're creating faceless content, choose a diverse, friendly avatar. Not too formal, not too robotic. The next step is the voice, and Synthesia's voices are crazy realistic now. Voice options: American English, British English, Pakistani, English, Indian, English, Arabic, 120 plus languages. Voice features: emotion control, speed control, tone adjustment, breathing simulation, emphasis on key words. Watch this. I'll switch from neutral tone to an upbeat tone. Notice the difference? Pro tip: creators who use AI avatars successfully always match the voice tone with the content. Tutorial: calm, marketing video: energetic. Now it's time to build out the actual video. What we customize: background layouts, text and captions, stock footage, brand colors, shapes, transitions, icons, screen recordings. I'll add a modern gradient background, a clean headline, and some motion graphics. Pro tip: keep your scenes short. 5 to 12 seconds per scene keeps viewers engaged. Retention hack: always add visual movement every 6 to 8 seconds, camera motion, text pop-in, or an icon animation. If you want a full step-by-step series on AI avatar video production, script writing, templates, monetization strategies, and editing, comment AI avatar series below. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because the next video is going to level up your content creation in 2025.